Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Stellar. My friends, people ask me questions about Stellar that when will the price of Stellar increase? So, friends, I have an answer for all of you questions. If you have any type of questions about Stellar X and about another cryptocurrencies, so please ask me. I will try to answer your questions. Anyways, let's start the video, friends, and let's talk about the Stellar XLM. So friends, the currently price of Stellar XLM is 0.419999 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Polygon Matic. On the other side, if you look the Bitcoin BTC price of Polygon Matic, so 0.00001092 USD dollar. Sorry, BTC that is the Bitcoin price of Polygon Matic. Sorry, Stellar XLM. Let's see, my friends, the price chart of Polygon Matic. Personally, at this time, I'm very worrying about the future of Stellar XLM. You know what? I'm holding very high amount of XLM coin, so in this time I'm very worrying about that. That is why I'm disturbed here. But now, when I see this kind of just occur at this time in Stellar XLM, so I feel satisfied. I feel very good. When I see the last 1 hour price is positive, so that's mean that Stellar XLM start jumping at this time. Absolutely, at this time I'm very happy. I'm very surprised to see this kind of positive change occur. So absolutely, you will also surprise 0.45% the price is going positive. But my friends, I hope on the 6th June, on the 6th June, the XLM will take a huge pump. What do you think, my friends? Tell me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Stellar? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.